The process of cutting and polishing gems is called gem cutting or lapidary, while a person who cuts and polishes gems is called a gem cutter or a lapidary, sometimes lapidarist. Gemstone material that has not been extensively cut and polished is referred to generally as rough. Rough material that has been lightly hammered to knock off brittle, fractured material is said to have been cupped. All gems are cut and polished by progressive abrasion using finer and finer grit of harder substances. Diamond, the hardest naturally occurring substance, has a Mohs hardness of 10 and is used as an abrasive to cut and polish a wide variety of materials, including diamond itself. Silicon carbide, a man-made compound of silicon and carbon, has a Mohs hardness of 9.5 and is also widely used for cutting softer gemstones. Other compounds such as cerium oxide, tin oxide, chromium oxide, and aluminum oxide are frequently used in polishing gemstones. In most gem sewing, a thin circular blade, usually composed of steel, copper, or a phosphor bronze alloy, integrated along the outer edge with diamond grit and rotating at several thousand surface feet per minute, literally scratches its way through a gemstone. A liquid such as oil or water is used to wash away cutting debris and keep the stone and the saw blade from overheating, which could cause damage to both the stone and the saw blade. Sanding is similar to grinding but uses finer abrasives. Its purpose is to remove deep scratches left by coarser abrasive during grinding. Since it removes material less rapidly, it also allows more delicate control over final shaping of the stone prior to polishing. For stones with rounded surface, a flexible surface, such as a belt sander, is often used to avoid creating flat areas and promote smooth curves. Lapping is very similar to grinding and sanding, except that it is performed on one side of rotating or vibrating flat disc known as a lap, and it is used especially to create flat surfaces on a stone. Laps are often made of cast iron, steel, or a copper-bronze alloy, but other materials can also be used. After a gemstone is sewed and ground to the desired shape and sanded to remove rough marks left by coarser grits, it is usually polished to a mirror-like finish to aid light reflection from the surface of the stone, or refraction through the stone in the case of transparent materials. Very fine grades of diamond, 50,000 to 100,000 mesh, can be used to polish a wide variety of materials, but other polishing agents work well in many instances. Usually, these polishing agents are metal oxides such as aluminium oxide, alumina, cerium oxide, tin oxide, chromium oxide, ferric oxide, jewelry's rouge, or silicon dioxide, Tripoli. Thanks for watching, until next time.